Operations on sets. There are several fundamental operations for constructing new sets from given sets. The first operation is the union of sets. Two sets can be added together. The union of A and B, denoted by the symbol, is the set of all things that are members of either A or B. Look at the examples. The union of two sets, one of 1, 2, and the other of red, white. Similarly, look at the other two examples. The next operation is the intersection of sets. A new set can also be constructed by determining which members two sets have in common. The intersection of A and B, denoted by the symbol, is the set of all things that are members of both A and B. If A intersection B is an empty set, then A and B are said to be disjoint. Look at the examples. In the first example, the intersection of two sets, 1, 2 and red, white, is null as there is no element in common. Similarly, look at the other two examples. Properties of operations over union and intersection. The first is the commutative law. A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. A union B is equal to B union A. The second is the associative law. A intersection B within parenthesis B intersection C is equal to, in parenthesis, A intersection B intersection C. A union within parenthesis B union C is equal to, in parenthesis, A union B union C. The third is the law of null and union. A intersection phi is equal to phi. U intersection A is equal to A. A union phi is equal to A. U union A is equal to U. Idempotent law. A intersection A is equal to A. A union A is equal to A. Difference of sets. The difference of sets A and B written as A minus B is the set of all the elements of A which do not belong to B. For example, if a set A contains 1, 2, 3, 4 and another set B contains 2, 4, 6, 8, then the difference is a set containing 1 and 3. Complement of a set. If U is the universal set, then complement of a set A is the set of all elements of U which are not the elements of A. The complement of a set A is denoted by A dash or AC. In this example, if universal set is of natural numbers and another set A is of odd numbers, then A complement is a set of even numbers. There are certain properties of complement sets. Complement law. A union A complement is equal to U. A intersection A complement is equal to phi. De Morgan's law. A union B complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. A intersection B complement is equal to A complement union B complement.
Law of double complementation.
The double complement of A is equal to A. Laws of empty set and universal set. Phi complement is equal to U. U complement is equal to phi.